Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Jaguar F-Type on a 70 plate. As you can see, I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. So we're going to start with the driver's side. You can of course see that it's a two-door convertible vehicle with alloy wheels. As we approach the rear of the car, you'll notice the parking sensors, that single central exiting tailpipe. Given the nature of the vehicle, a decent amount of space in the boot here as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, of course, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. In the dead centre, we have the rev counter, the digital readout for your speedometer, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge, of course, the total miles of the car, which are 9,656. We have our satellite navigation over on the right-hand side and our audio menu over on that left-hand side. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have stereo controls, phone controls, cruise control, and speed limiter. We've also got a heated steering wheel, which you can turn on and off from here. The plus and minus pedals, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then into the central screen area of the car next. I'm going to switch the ignition off just for a minute so you can hear me a bit clearer for this part. Obviously, this car's got satellite navigation, which you can see clearly labelled just there. Really nice, extra wide colour display. You get back to your home screen down in this bottom right-hand corner, where you can access your phone menu, or you can do it here. Your audio menu, which you can also access there, and then the climate control. When it comes to audio in this car, if you hit source, we've got the radio, FM, DAB and AM radio. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And if we move over to the next screen, you'll see Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available. We've also got a parking camera, which you can access by putting the vehicle into reverse, and then you can adjust your settings accordingly. Below that is the climate control. Again, we'll start the ignition for this as we need it running. So fan speed is adjustable here. Passenger temperature, driver temperature, air conditioning off and on, or hit auto. The car will now take control of everything to maintain these temperatures for you, which you can manually override whenever you wish to. You can also adjust your passenger heated seat and driver heated seat from this same dial as well. We've got a proper heated front screen and a heated rear screen, of course, a 12-volt charging socket, the start and stop button for the ignition, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can change the driving setup of the car from here, so you can put it into kind of more a track focused mode, or if it's icy or snowy or rain, you can change that accordingly there. The main volume for your stereo, you can open and close the roof, of course, in this car. You can turn the stop and start off. You can also open and close the rear spoiler of the vehicle from here too. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So starting on the left here, in the envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys for this vehicle, of course. The V5 registration document that shows it's a one-owner car from new. And then over here we have the service printout from Jaguar directly, with services in 22, 23, 24, and very recently 2025. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.